Hello friends, how are you? What's up? Let's go started my video. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, and trending now. A to Z subscriber, A to Z information trending. Please subscribe my channel. Okay. How to create trending account and balance account? Create balance account and trending any topic, any idea, any something is wrong. Okay. So almost and then ended almost bitcoin earn. Okay, bitcoin earn first of all 10 to a to z 10 and next and then next time how to create a Binance account. Okay, so find out my page, so search YouTube how to create Binance Binance account. Okay, anything is video. Okay, create Binance account. How to create anything is bringing any video. Look at me and create Binance account at easily. Okay, and verify your NID national card and verify and then create completed. Okay, so video see and account create completed, and then now on next page Binance.com. Top one Binance, world famous Binance.com. Anyhow, Binance.com. Anything, any trading apps use your interest. Okay, so let's start to keep the training. How to training BNB USD BC training. Binance training 60 million dollar. Hide it, lower it. Okay, so graphs, Binance graphs, budget low, high, low, high, low, high, back button, and then backs and graphs is app, app, apps, playing Play Store, out apps, making, open Play Store and Binance, okay, the app now, open then. Raffle commission and ship 1 million ship trending, ship Bitcoin BTC marketplace other than BTC up down to high rate $58 million, $58,000, reach up to down, reach up and reach down. Binance, buy and sell. Binance buy and sell. You now buy, you now sell. Click here to buy or sell. Buy sell. Okay, account logging, already log out my account, so no time, no parent. Limited, stop limited. Okay, stop limited. Double limited USD amount 5,000 USD total 6,000 USD, and then now and training now buy and sell up to reach dollar and you sell and profit. I hope understand. Buy and sell profit. Debit card, credit card, P2P, no free fund share, P2P trending, no free share, P2P free share. Click buy to place and order. Transfer the payment of the seller payment account profit in the order detail. Click transfer, notify seller after payment. The seller which release crypto to our funding wallet after receive your payment. Okay, each order has a specific payment time window. Please make payment within the time window. Click on the transfer rate, notify seller before the countdown tamarins failure to do so will lend out the collection of your other stuff and result in a financial loss. Trend now trend auto 0.993 USD. Buy, 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 buy. Okay. Smart balance appreciated. Introduction. CENTOPS FC fund token. CENTOPS Bitcoin transport from CENTOPS. Anything's today. Detail. Today reverse and then BNB. Pull daily reverse. LTD pull daily reverse. Okay. Now then. Okay. And token there is. Project link. Please note snapshot and user balance and total pool balance with the token hour and to collaboration yours will also be uploaded to reach our second times. Our hours will be able to monitor their rewards, calculated each hour and claim hours rewards individually to their spot account at any time. Each pool manual will depend your APY and total pool balance will be updated in real time. Tokens can only be staked in one pool of a time. For example, user cannot stock the same BNB into your different pools sometime, but can allocate 50% of their BNB into pool A and 50% into pool B. Okay, understand? User will be able to understand project links, fund token website, fund token website, Facebook, Twitter, fund token, balance systems. Thanks for support balance system. Okay. So now then cannot back BTC, USD, BNB cannot hydrate max Ethereum. It is Ethereum to USD. Ethereum $40,000. Market trends up down. Order book market trends measure info A to Z information. You now to alert and satisfied. You go to financial losses and higher profit. Okay, Santosh Berme 73.92 $. I hope understand you. Very nice video and making a beautiful. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. And your life very beautiful. I hope your life very beautiful. Thank you for watching. Next time, see you next time. Bye bye, tata, bye.